So you have some payment proof from yesterday. That's a total of £10 made in a day. In today's video, I'll be showing you 4 tips that will help you make as much as $50 in a month from surveys online. It is very easy to start survey. I've done a video on how to go about starting some survey online, and you can check out that video. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. So for today, I'll be showing you some tips that you need to implement so that you can be able to make as much as $50. The great thing is that you can use this as a side hustle. So you can be doing your 9 to 5 work, or you can be doing your business and still be making $50 in a month from survey. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number one tip you need to know is that you need to sign up for multiple survey platforms. The truth is that no one survey platform will pay you up to $50 in a month, except you are very much consistent. So you need to sign up for more than one. You can sign up for Mobrub, you can sign up for TGM panel, you can sign up for IntelliZoom, you can sign up for 5 surveys. Now these platforms will help you earn this cash. All you have to do is that you'll be moving from one website to the other, checking out some surveys that are available, and once surveys are available, you start doing the survey. There are times you can even get as much as 5 to 10 surveys in a day from these various platforms. So sign up for multiple survey sites and start making some cash. The second tip you need to understand is that you need to focus on high paying surveys. Now, not all surveys pay the same amount. There are some that pay higher than the other, there are some that pay lower than the other. You should sign up for platforms like TGM panel. On TGM panel, you can be able to see the price of the survey you're about to do. Before you get started in the survey, you are going to see the amount that is allotted to that survey. Let's say it's $2, let's say it's $3 or £1 or £2. So once you see the amount, you can sign up for that survey, or you can start filling out that survey. So always check out for high paying surveys. If there are 10 surveys, start with the ones that are high paying, and you can go over to the ones that are low paying once you've gotten some time. Now the third tip I need you to know is that you need to be consistent. No way of making money online is very easy. You need to be consistent in doing what you are doing. There are some persons that started survey and they have not been able to see some cash for a period of 2 to 3 weeks. All of a sudden they start seeing some cash because of their consistency paid off. So you should be consistent, because of sometimes you'll be rejected in a survey you want to start, or you will be disqualified when you put your application, but you need to be consistent, and with time you start seeing the reward of your consistency. So if you are thinking you sign up for survey today and you start making some money today or this week, there are greater chances that you'll be disappointed. Do well to be consistent and to be persistent, and you start making some cash on survey. The last tip I want you to know is that you need to start referring. Now on surveys, it's not compulsory that you refer members, but the truth is that if you want to earn more, you need to refer. The only way you can make money on survey through referral is when your referral starts making some cash on that survey. So once you share your referral link and they're using your referral link to sign up, once they have made some cash, you too make some cash. So start sharing your referral link to people that are very much serious, so that they can use your link and start making money for themselves, and as they are making money, you too can also be making money. These are 4 tips that I can guarantee you will help you make some cash from survey. If you have any question, do also drop your comment in the comment section, and I'll look forward to answering all your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till our next one, peace.